Challenge time. I want to start off this video with a challenge for you guys to hit that thumbs up and get this video up to 300 likes in the first 24 hours. If you guys can do that, which I know you can, I will be giving away a very hyped pair of Jordan 1s after the current giveaway is over. So be sure to hit that thumbs up. Watch this entire video so you guys can enter in the current giveaway going on for a pair of Jordan 1s. And then stay tuned to the channel. I'll be announcing a very hyped Jordan 1 giveaway very, very soon. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of this Jordan 1. But like I said, you guys got to get this video up to 300 likes in the first 24 hours. I do have a few pairs. I have a personal pair. So I want to give away... Oh, that's all you're getting. That's all you're getting. So make sure to hit that thumbs up. Let's get straight into this video. Jordan 1s usually are a great investment. However, today we're going to take a look at a Jordan 1 that was a horrible investment as of now. This Jordan 1 has plummeted in price. It could go up. They could go up in the future, but this Jordan 1 is not a great investment. This Jordan 1 could take a long time to go up in price. You can get them right now for about retail, maybe a few dollars over, and this Jordan 1 sold out on release day and had a good amount of hype. This Jordan 1 just plummeted in price. Horrible investment. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you guys love Jordan 1 investment videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have a giveaway going on. Stay tuned. I'll talk about the giveaway. I love you guys. More family. I appreciate you guys. Hit that thumbs up and let's jump into this Jordan 1 horrible investment video. Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Shadow 2.0s. Then give me a follow on Instagram and DM me proof that you did everything. I'm giving away this pair right here, brand new size 9.5 on June 5th. Jordan 1s, for the most part, are really good investments. They always go up in price over time. This Jordan 1, in my opinion, will go up in price over time, but since this sneaker released, man, they've done nothing but dropped heavily in price. After the release, they were selling for around $260, $280. They've dropped tremendously to around $200. You can even get them for probably $180, $190. Locally, retail is $170. So basically, retail plus tax and maybe shipping, and you got yourself a pair. This Jordan 1 has plummeted, tanked in value. This Jordan 1's cousin, I call it, has actually been a really good investment, has only gone up in price. So I will drop a video talking about that sneaker very, very soon. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you guys want to see a very good Jordan 1 investment. But this one, man, tanked so hard, and I'm sad because I think it's a fire shoe so much that I have a personal pair. I'm sad that they tanked, but it is what it is. I do believe they will go back up in price. They will see $300 at one point in the future. When that is, maybe next year. I don't think it'll be this year. This Jordan 1 is not a good hold, man. Not a good hold. I would say if you sold them already, you did a good thing. If not, hold them for a little longer if you could afford to. If not, get rid of them and put your money into other Jordan 1s that will go up in price. This Jordan 1 has tanked, guys. Tanked. I really like this Jordan 1. It's very, very clean. I haven't worn my pair yet, but I did have to pick them up when they dropped. This was my sneaker I gifted to myself for my birthday. I paid resale price. I overpaid for them, especially now. The Jordan 1 Tokyo, Japan, in the silver natural gray colorway, neutral gray colorway. This is a fire, clean Air Jordan 1 in my opinion. The silver really does shine. The gray is very, very nice. I like these a lot. And to see them plummet, it is what it is. If you want a personal pair, go ahead and cop if you don't own them already. But this is a Jordan 1 that was not a good hold at all. They were selling for $260, $280. They've dropped tremendously. Get them for under $200, guys. That is crazy. And Grade School is around the same price as men's. Men's might be $10, $20 more. But Grade School, in my opinion, will be a better hold than the men's pairs. So if you want, you could invest in grade school. I would say there's other Jordan 1s to invest in first before these, because these are going to take some time to really go up in price. It's crazy, man, what happened to the neutral gray colorway. This is a clean Jordan 1. You know, what happened? What happened to the resale price? Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you think happened. In my opinion, a few things. I do think a lot of guys think that this is too much for them, meaning too shiny, too feminine in a way, which I guess I can understand it being very, very shiny. At the same time, it's wearable, it's clean. It's a very clean Jordan 1 with the gray and the white. That's it. Very, very simple. So I do see them eventually going up because they're so wearable, but not a good hold at all, man. They tanked. They definitely plummeted in price. I really like the quality of this Jordan 1. The tongue is so soft, that high quality leather, very, very nice leather used. And the nubuck is dope, man, around the rest of the upper. And then you do have some leather there on the back that is very shiny. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys own a personal pair or not. I did pick these up for a personal pair, man. I definitely wanted them in the collection. I can't wait to rock them. I actually lost money on these investing in them because I did own a few pairs. I have actually sold those pairs, so I did wind up losing, I want to say maybe $50 or $60 altogether, which, you know, sucks. But here's a little lesson. If you're going to invest and then, you know, you see you take a loss, sometimes you could take that loss, right, and make up for it in another sneaker, and you'll more than make up for your loss. So that's what I am doing. I did sell some pairs so I can go invest money into other Jordan 1s that you guys have seen already on the channel and will continue to see here on the channel. So that's what I personally decided to do. You know, put my money into other shoes, let go of the pairs that I did have, and just go ahead and keep my personal pair. Sometimes you got to do it, man. Sometimes you got to take an L to later on take a nice big W. Let me know what you guys think about these Jordan 1s down below in the comments. Let me know if you own a pair. Let me know if you invested in any pairs. And if you did, are you taking an L? How big of an L are you taking as of now? Let me know if you're going to hold on them, continue to hold on to them. They will go to $300. They definitely will see $300, but I don't think it'll be this year. I think maybe next year, so they'll definitely take some more time to go up. These did drop last year, I want to say in September, August or September of last year. It's coming up close to a year in the next few months, and they have dropped tremendously in price. So make sure you guys buy them if you want for personal. If you want to hold them, you can. They will see $300, but there's other Jordan 1s to put your money into. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you guys love Jordan 1s and if you love Jordan 1 investment videos. I'll drop more. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys get your entries in for the Shadow 2.0 giveaway. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, give me a follow on Instagram, and DM me proof that you did everything. I'm giving away this pair, brand new, size 9.5. on June 5th. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.